Welcome to this guidance for the ceremony of commitments. Physical, emotional, mental, and heart. To open yourself for deeper self-compassion, self-worth, and trust in yourself as your healer on the journey ahead. You can play this video as a guidance and pause it at any point to give yourself time and space to complete the suggested stage in the ceremony. We begin the ceremony by letting go. Letting go is very important for releasing old habits or patterns, obstacles, limiting beliefs, and any destructive, unhealthy thoughts, objects, or energy, whatever is no longer serving you. Letting go is not carried out as a response to aversion or hatred, but rather from a place of love and respect for yourself and others. To let go is to place the intention of transforming negative energy into space. This space is necessary for new healthy intentions to be planted, and for the commitments to have the space to flourish with less chance of them being impacted by thoughts of not being good enough to care for yourself, and so on. For this exercise, take a pen and paper. Find a comfortable seat, somewhere you feel safe, maybe near your altar and surrounded by things that inspire you and make you feel calm. Take a moment to settle into your body and your surroundings. Close your eyes and spend some time simply observing the thoughts that move in and out of the mind without judging them. Without too much effort, begin to recognize the obstacles and habits that have blocked you in the past, even now, from caring fully for yourself. Ask yourself, what are the thoughts and obstacles stopping me from fully loving and caring for myself? What is stopping me from achieving my highest potential? Write down what limits you. It may be old wounds and pains from situations in the past that have served as a protection for you, and now you feel strong enough to let those defenses go. Write down any defense mechanism or habit you no longer need. If there are emotional responses that you no longer need, jealousy, superiority, inferiority, anger, regret, something unforgiven. If there are certain types of people you feel restrict you or put you down, then write down what it is about this that you release and will not take personally or allow it to keep you from your full expansion. There may be patterns of thoughts from society. I am not good enough. I am not worthy. I am not beautiful. I am a failure. Whatever these voices are saying, if you notice that the statement is limiting, negative, or self-berating, then write these down too. Once you have the list of points to let go of, set your pen and paper down, close your eyes, and notice if you feel any different. Maybe you already feel lighter, just from the acknowledgement of these things you can release. Draw the knees in towards the chest, wrap the arms around the legs, and give yourself a nice big hug. Thank yourself for having the strength to recognize what no longer serves you, and reassure yourself that you are safe, loved, and have the support to let go. When you are ready, it's time to move on and prepare the way that you will let go of this list. Transformation by fire. If you have a fireplace in your house or the garden, like a barbecue, that's safe to use, then this is a great way to see the items on your paper transform by fire. Of course, we do not recommend making your own fire, so please only use this mechanism if it's completely safe. Otherwise, you can use the following suggestions, or use your own way if you'd prefer. Transformation by earth. Bury the list in the garden or a park, in some sand, and let it naturally transform into the earth. Transformation by water. Fill a bowl with water and rip up your list. Place the pieces in the bowl and let the water slowly transform the ink and paper, and then dispose of it. Transformation by space. Simply rip up the paper and throw it directly in the bin or a recycling box. However you choose to dispose of your list, do it with intention and love for yourself and the space left behind. Letting go ceremonies are not a magic wand. Of course, they will not immediately remove all pain and suffering. But becoming aware of what we want to change from a place of self-love lays a great foundation for transformation and the manifestation of the commitments into our reality. Once you have let go, the second step is to be grateful for what is left behind. Your personal power, your strength, your body, what you have in your life, in nature, what makes you rich and purposeful? What people are you grateful for? Either sit and reflect on what you feel truly grateful for about yourself and your life. You can do this by counting stones or mala beads, or write another list. This one you will keep. Take as much time as you need to complete this exercise. Now it's time to make your commitments. Set your space with any candles, incense. Sit with your commitments. You can read over them just as they are, or speak them out loud. Do this as many times as you want to allow them to sink in and plant these powerful seeds of intention. Once you have read or spoken your commitments, have a moment to reflect on how you feel. Once you're ready, take some nice deep breaths and then place your commitments somewhere safe. Know that they are now inside you and here physically outside you, to review whenever you need it. They are your reminder and your message. Congratulations on completing this ceremony of commitments.